Hey everyone, welcome to the Accounting Explained series by AccountTutor.com, where we simplify accounting concepts for students, bookkeepers, and business owners. Do you ever get confused by debits and credits? You're not alone. If you have struggled with understanding how these work, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you will not only understand debits and credits, but you will be able to apply them confidently in your accounting practice. So let's dive into the foundation of accounting, the rule of debit and credit. Let's start with the basics. Every financial transaction in accounting involves two sides, debit and credit. Think of it like a scale. Whatever happens on one side must balance out with the other. A debit refers to the left side of an account and a credit refers to the right side. But here's the key. The meaning of debit and credit changes depending on the type of account you are working with. So let's break it down step by step. For assets and expenses, a debit increases the account and a credit decreases it. For example, if your business buys office supplies, your assets office supplies increase, so you debit that account. On the flip side, for liabilities, equity, and revenue, a credit increases the account and a debit decreases it. For instance, if you take out a loan, your liabilities increase, so you credit the loan account. To make this even clearer, accountants follow three golden rules, each applied to a specific type of account. Let's look at each one. First, we have personal accounts, which are accounts that deal with individuals or organizations. The rule is simple: debit the receiver and credit the giver. Let's take an example. Imagine you loan $500 to a friend. Your friend is receiving the money, so you debit loan to friend because they are receiving the benefit. You then credit cash because you're the one giving the money. This helps us track who owes what and ensures everything balances out. Next, we have real accounts, which are accounts that deal with tangible things like assets. For real accounts, the rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Let's say you buy a laptop for your business using cash. The laptop is coming into your business, so you debit equipment because it's an asset you are gaining. You then credit cash because cash is going out of your business. This shows how the value of assets is tracked. Finally, we have nominal accounts, which are accounts that deal with expenses, losses, incomes, or gains. The rule for nominal accounts is debit all expenses and losses, and credit all incomes and gains. For instance, let's say your business earns $200 in service income. Here's how we record it. You debit cash because the money is coming into your business. Then you credit service income because income is being generated and that increases the revenue account. This ensures your income is properly recorded. Now, let's bring it all together with a practical example that you might encounter frequently. Imagine you buy office supplies worth $100 and pay in cash. How does the rule of debit and credit apply here? You would debit office supplies because it's an expense account and the supplies are coming into your business. You would credit cash because you are using cash to pay for the supplies. If we look at this in terms of T accounts, it balances perfectly. On the debit side, we have office supplies plus $100, and on the credit side, we have cash minus $100. Understanding the rule of debit and credit is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. It ensures your books balance, your transactions make sense, and your financial statements are reliable. Whether you are using QuickBooks, Xero, or just a simple spreadsheet, this rule applies everywhere. It's the foundation for tracking everything in your business, from expenses to income to assets and liabilities. Thanks for watching this episode of Accounting Explained. If this video made the rule of debit and credit clearer for you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more accounting tips. And do not forget to visit AccountTutor.com for hands-on courses in accounting, QuickBooks, and Xero. See you in the next video.